Hi everybody, my name is Lily from the channel Undergecko, and I'm going to be slime channel. So here's my favourite slime. I just want to tell you guys that if this video gets, let's say, only 100 likes, I will, well, also the first person who comments, well, the first 5 people who comment, probably about 2 or 3 who comment, I will send you off an alien. It's because, well, to win, you have to win an alien and write your address down so I can send it to you. And basically, yep, I'm a slime channel, and today I'm going to be doing my slime pet peeves. So I'm going to start off with my slime. So I've got my slime down my bed. So my first pet peeve is when people poke slime with one finger. Ugh, it's gross. Always to poke it with 2 fingers. But this is my pet peeves and my solutions for them. This one's not very stretchy, but this is my pet peeves. It's not too stretchy. It's not really stretchy. It rips. I hate when slime does that. So I don't really rip this one that much. And people just stop every 5 seconds just so they can get like pictures and things like that of their slime that probably doesn't even work. Also, if you guys are wondering, I have got some slime here that I'm making. It is a laundry detergent slime. If I get, let me think, 20 subscribers, so go tell your friends and your family to subscribe, I will show you how to make this slime. It's not perfect. It's like kind of hard. Kind of looks like mozzarella cheese. It's really good. I'll show you how to make some other slimes only if I get just 20 subscribers. So tell your friends and your family to subscribe to me. I'll do some more slime videos. And my other pet peeve is when they're way too aggressive. So when people go like this with their slime, poke it, people go like this. It annoys me. Background music. Shows I have some background music. But I actually like when people stick their finger and stick holes in it. It's freezing. I have background music, so I don't care. And when they play music during it, so you can't hear. Can you guys see that? I love that song so much. If you have some time, maybe I could show you a few things about my slime, what I can do with my slime, and where I keep my slime. So, I keep my slime in my container with my alien.